بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. We are in model 9 volume and surface area. Today we have lesson 4 surface area of pyramids. Surface area of pyramids. In this lesson we want to learn how to make nets and find surface area of pyramids. How to make nets and find surface area of the pyramids. So listen very well to know what the meaning of the pyramid, lateral faces, and slant height. Listen very well, please.
Make a net to represent a pyramid. Teaching notes. A pyramid is a three-dimensional figure that has one polygonal base and triangular sides that meet at a point. The sides are called lateral faces. A regular pyramid has a base that is a regular polygon and lateral faces that are all congruent. The height of one of the lateral faces in a regular pyramid is the slant height of the pyramid. The slant height also divides the base of the triangular face in half, creating two congruent segments. A square pyramid is a pyramid with a square base and four triangular faces. A triangular pyramid is a pyramid with a triangular base and three triangular faces. The base of a regular, triangular pyramid is an equilateral triangle.
So a pyramid is a three-dimensional figure that has one polygonal base and triangular sides that meet at a point. The sides are called lateral faces. This is the pyramid. As if the pyramid have a base, then we have four faces. The name of the face, lateral face. The all faces, as you see, triangles. If the base regular polygon means if the base like here square means we have four congruent triangles, in the face, also in the face, as you see here, we have height. In the face here we have height. The name of this height, slant height. This is the height of the face. So this is the meaning of the pyramid and the lateral faces and the slant height. Draw and label a net to represent the square pyramid. As you see here, we have pyramid. Here, the base of the pyramid. As you see here, we have 4 centimeter, and here we have 4 centimeter. Means we have here regular polygon, square. We have regular polygon means square. Regular polygon means we have congruent sides and congruent angles inside this polygon. And as you see here in the base we have 4 sides, 4 congruent sides, means we have 4 congruent lateral faces. 4 congruent lateral faces. This is a triangle, congruent with the second triangle, congruent with the third triangle, congruent with the fourth triangle. And in the face, in the lateral face, the distance between the vertex and the opposite side will be the height. The name of the height here, slant height. Okay, so now we want to draw and label the net. Draw and label the square base. This is the square base. What are the dimensions of the base? We have, as you see here, 4 and 4. So we can write here 4 and 4. So this is the base. To do the net, draw as the first the base. This is the base square. 4 and 4. Then, what are the dimensions of the lateral faces? This is the lateral faces. As you see, we have the base 4 and we have the height 7.23. So this is the lateral faces. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So this is the net. This is the net of this pyramid. Right, listen here. Select the net that represents the square pyramid shown. Here we have square pyramid. What's the meaning of square pyramid? Means we have pyramid, but the base of this pyramid will be square. Will be square. As you see here, this side equal this side equal this side equal this side. So the square, as you remember, regular polygon, and always when the base will be regular polygon means the pyramid has 4 congruent literal faces. Means yani this triangle equal this triangle equal this triangle equal this triangle. So here we have 4 nets. What is the true one? What is the true one? Look very well to this pyramid, then tell me, is it A or B or C or D? Who can answer me?
Sir, is it the answer C?
D?
C.
C? Yes, who has
Yes.
different answer? Right. When you want to draw the net, start from where? From the base. As you the base square and the side in the square 10. So here the side here 10 and the side here 10, but the side here 13, so this is wrong, and the side here 12, so this is wrong. So I can't choose between A and B. I can't choose between A and B. As you see here, we have 10 and 10. Okay, so here we have 10 and 10. And as you see here, the slant means the height of the face will be 12. Yes, this is a 12. This is correct. But here the slant will be what? Will be 13. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So the right answer will be what? Will be A. Will be A. Draw and label on it to represent the triangular pyramid. As you see here, we have pyramid, and we want to draw and label in it. Right. Start from where? Always from the base. The base here will be what? Triangle. The base here will be triangle. So draw and label the triangular base. What are the dimensions of the base? Base length and base height. As you see, the triangle here, the base of this triangle here will be what? Will be 9. So right here 9. And the height of the triangle here will be 7.8. 7.8. So as the first, this is the base. Now the second step, draw and label the letter faces. This is the letter faces. We have 3 letter faces. So letter face, base length, as you see here, we have here 9, and literal face height, the height will be what? Will be 7.8. So this is the literal face, and here congruent literal face, and here congruent literal face. So this is the net of this pyramid, triangular pyramid. Select the net that represent the triangular pyramid shown. Now I want to from all to focus with the pyramid. Here down we have the prism will be triangle, and here we have lateral faces, also triangle. We have 1, and here 2, and in the back we have the third one. And here we have the slant will be 5. Right. Now, is it A or B or C or D?
Mr. Is it B?
C?
No, B.
Repeat, please.
B.
B?
Yes.
Okay. Who has different answer? And as you see here, we have 4, the base 4, and here 4, and here 4. But here we have 5, 5, 5. So this is false. Here we have 4 and 4 and 4. Maybe this is right. And here we have 4 and 4 and 4. Here we have 3.5. So this is wrong. So I will choose between B and C. So as you see here, the slant here will be 5. As you see here, the slant here will be 5. and the slant of the base, the height of the base will be 3.5. The height of the base will be 3.5. So the correct one will be what? C or B?
B.
If you choose B, here the side 5, but not the, but in the prism, in the pyramid, the side, I don't know the side. I know just what? The slant. The slant will be 5. Here we have the side, here we have the slant, as you see. So this is the correct one. This is the correct one. Right, listen very well to this video.
The surface area of a three-dimensional figure is the sum of the areas of the faces. To find the surface area of this pyramid, find the sum of the area of the base and the areas of the lateral faces. You can use a net to find the surface area.
So to find the surface area of the pyramid, the first step, draw the net. Draw the net
of the pyramid. The shapes in the net of this pyramid are a square base and the four lateral faces. First, find the area of the square base.
So to find the surface area, at the first find the area of the base. The base here we have square. Then find the area of the all lateral faces.
Multiply length times width.
So the area of the base, 6 times 6 will be 36 centimeters squared.
Next, find the area of the lateral faces. The base is a square, so the area of each triangular face will be the same. Find 1/2 of the length of the base times the height.
So the area of the lateral face, we have here triangle. We use the rule of the area of the triangle, 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. This is the base here, 6, and this is the height, will be 8. So 1/2 times 6 times 8 will be 24 centimeters squared. But here we have 4 congruent triangle faces or lateral faces. So we can write here this area plus this area plus this area plus this area plus the area of the base.
Finally, find the sum of the area of the base and the areas of the lateral faces.
So as you see here, 36 the area of the base. Then we have 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24, because here we have 4 congruent triangles. So we can write 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24, or we can write 4 times 24.
Sum is 132 square centimeters. So the surface area of the pyramid is 132 square centimeters.
Find surface area of a square pyramid. Square pyramid means we have the pyramid, but the base will be what? Will be square. Use the net to find the surface area of the square pyramid. So the first step to find the surface area of the pyramid, draw the net, draw and label the net. This is the base square, and this is the lateral face, the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. When you have regular base, means you have congruent lateral faces. Means this triangle congruent with this triangle, congruent with this triangle, congruent with this triangle. Now, how to find the surface area? Surface area S equal the area of the base. What is the type of the base? Square. How to find the area of the square? Take the side 4, then do squared for this side. 4 times 4, or 4 squared. 4 squared means 4 times 4, plus. How many lateral faces you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 congruent lateral faces. So we have here 4. Find the area of the one face. The type of the face will be triangle. How to find the area of the triangle? We have formula 1 over 2 multiply by the base multiply by the height of the triangle. So 4 squared means 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will be 16, plus 4 times 1 over 2. 4 times 1 over 2 will be 2. Multiply by the base. The base of the triangle will be 4. Multiply by the height. The height will be 7.23. Now here we have 16 plus 2 times 4, 8. Then we have 8 multiplied by 7.23. So the answer will be 57.84. Now we have 16 plus 57.84. The answer will be 73.84. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
Centimeters.
Centimeters or centimeters squared?
Centimeters squared.
Yes, because here the area, surface area. Who has any question here?
No.
Okay. Find surface area of a square pyramid. Use the net to find the surface area of the square pyramid. طيب, listen please. Here we have square pyramid. Square pyramid means pyramid who has the base will be what? Square. And as you remember, the square means have 4 congruent sides. Here 5, here 5, here 5, here 5. And when the base in the pyramid congruent, regular means we have 4 congruent lateral faces. So as the first step to find the surface area, draw and label the net. So as you see here, the base, so draw as the first the base. Then we have lateral face. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So this is the net. Now we can start to solve the surface area. S equal. Start from the base. What is the type of the base? Square. How to find the area of the square? Side times side, or side squared. So we can write 5 times 5, or 5 squared, plus how many congruent lateral faces? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So multiply by 4. How to find the area of the lateral face? The lateral face will be triangle, and the formula of the triangle will be 1/2 multiplied by the base of the triangle multiplied of the height of the triangle. Now 5 squared means 5 times 5 means 25, plus 4 times 1/2 will be 2, times the base of the triangle will be 5, times the height of the triangle will be 4.3. So here we have 25 plus 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 4.3, 43. Now 25 plus 43 will be 68. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
Centimeter squared.
Centimeter.
Centimeter square.
Okay, who has any question here? Clear for all?
Yes.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. طيب, find surface area of a triangular pyramid. Use the net to find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. طيب, as you see here, we have triangular pyramid, and this is the net of the triangular pyramid. And I want from all girls to find the surface area of this pyramid. Start, please, and tell me what is your answer.
So is the answer 1363.6?
What is your name? Okay, thank you. Maybe who has different answer? Right. Listen, please. Surface area S equal. Start from where? From the base of the pyramid. The base of the pyramid, as you see, we have a triangle. How to find the area of this triangle? We have rule 1/2 multiply by the base. As you see, the base here 9. So times 9 times the height. As you see, the height will be what? 7.8. Plus. How many lateral faces you have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So multiply by 3. How to find the area of the lateral face? Also we have triangle. So 1/2 multiply by the base. The base will be 9 times the height. The height will be 7.8 times 7.8. Here we have a special case. We have here the area of the lateral face, the same area of the base. So here we can directly write 4 times the area of the base. 4 times the area of the base. Or we can do like this. Now, here we want to multiply 9 times 7.8, then divide by 2. 9 times 7.8 divided by 2 will be 35.1 plus we have 3 times 1 times 9 times 77.8 divided by 2. So the answer will be 105.3. Now we have 35.1 plus 105.3. So the answer will be 140.4. Who can tell me what is the unit here?
Meter squared.
Meter squared. Who has any question here? No questions?
No question.
Okay. طيب, the last example in this lesson. Find surface area of a triangular pyramid. Use the net to find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. Now, this is the pyramid and this is the net. I want from all girls now to find the surface area and tell me what was your answer. Start, please.
So is the answer 105.9?
Maybe, Nagam, thank you. What's different answer? Type, check with me, please. Start from the base of the pyramid. The base will be triangle. So write the formula of the area of the triangle. 1/2. Multiply by the base of the triangle here will be 6. So times 6. Multiply by the height. As you see here, the height will be 5.2. Plus. How many literal faces we have? We have 3 congruent literal faces. So multiply here by 3 times the area of the literal faces. Also we have triangle. So the area will be 1/2. Multiply by the base will be 6. So times 6 times the height or the length, 8.3. Now we can calculate. Here we have 6 times 5.2, 6 times 5.2, then divided by 2. So the answer here will be 15.6 plus. Here we have 6 times 8.3, 6 times 8.3. Then divided by 2. Then multiply by 3. So the answer will be 74.7. Then we can add. We have 15.6 plus 74.7. The answer will be 90.3 meter squared. Who has any question here?
No.
Okay. This is our lesson today. Let us to take attendance. Eliazia,
Yes.
روضة ناصر,
نعم
روضة
مستر.
روضة سلطان, روضة سلطان،
نعم.
شمسة، شمسة، شمسة. طيب شيخة،
Yes.
عليا،
Yes, Mister. Yes, Mister. I'm here.
لطيفة، لطيفة،
Mister, I'm sure so my mic wasn't working when you called my name.
لطيفة، okay, لطيفة and Hajar absent. موزة،
Yes, Mister.
نغم،
Yes.
نورة،
Yes, Mister.
هاجر. Okay, today we have homework. I will send to you the homework and the deadline tomorrow morning before 10 a.m. This is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.